Initial reaction is, Hi and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Glenda Britton. I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and I specialize in mental health. So this is the Glenda and Michelle YouTube channel, and this is where nutrition meets meditation. I'm so glad you're here because today I'm going to offer you up something really special. But before I get started, please make sure that if you like this kind of content to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe below. Today I'm going to be preparing a really yummy dessert or snack. Even your kids will like it, your parents will like it. Like, it's one of those kind of desserts that you would never think in a million years it could be super healthy because it's so delicious. So what we're going to be making is homemade Jell-O, and it's so easy. Some of you have probably already received this recipe, but I want to show you just how easy it is to make. Here we go. I start off with 2 cups of organic berries. So I've got raspberries, strawberries, blueberries, a mixture of berries. And I'm putting them in a saucepan. Whoops, I'm actually putting them all over the counter as well. So I've got those on a medium heat, and I'm just going to give them a little stir while these are frozen. You can use fresh berries as well until they start to get hot and a bit bubbly. Make sure to give them a quick stir so they don't burn. You may have heard lately how many people are adding gelatin to their recipes, sometimes in the bulletproof coffee, or maybe they're making a bone broth. This isn't the kind of gelatin that you would put in your coffee, because this kind of gelatin will make Jell-O. This is one of my favorite brands called Great Lakes, and all we're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of this Great Lakes gelatin. Super simple. We're just going to add that to a 1/4 cup of filtered water. There's amino acids in that, and amino acids are part of a protein, and they help to feed the cells that line your digestive tract. So when we're talking about immune system, when we're talking about mental health, when we're talking about inflammation in the body, we have to think of the health of our gut. And this kind of thing is so very helpful. Make sure it's well mixed, and see it's already the Jell-O kind of consistency. Of course, the berries we're using are full of antioxidants. When we have antioxidants in our diet, then we're actually helping to promote cellular health. Now I'm just going to add the Jell-O. See, it's already become like Jell-O to the hot berries, and give it a good stir, a speedy little stir. The next thing we're going to add as a sweetener is we're going to use raw unpasteurized honey. So when we're talking immune function, having some local, so wherever you live, if you can find some local honey, then you know that you're supporting your immune system from whatever might be brewing in your part of the world. So I'm just going to put about 2 tablespoons of, like I said, raw unpasteurized honey. Raw unpasteurized honey has so many health benefits. And I'm just going to pop this in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now, 2 hours has passed. You didn't have to wait for all that, so that's really handy. Here we go. Ta-da! Just dish some up. All right, let's just have a little taste here. So good. When you're eating food like that's good for your gut health, it's actually very calming. So I know when I serve this kind of thing to company, their reaction is usually, and they just sort of settle into their chairs a little bit more. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this super simple yet delicious and so nutritious dessert or snack. And you could also put make a little bit of a coconut banana cream by just blending up some coconut milk and a frozen banana, or maybe even a really good quality regular cream, like whipped cream, like if it's grass-fed or organic, and whip that up and serve a dollop of that on top. It would be so nice, and it would look really pretty as well. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. That's it for now. If you like this kind of content, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, in good health.